The question is whether the EU knows how to respond without undermining itself. As nationalism rises, internal EU divisions are becoming harder to hide. One major battleground is economic policy. Wealthier states push for fiscal discipline. Indebted states want flexibility and shared responsibility. Then there's climate policy. Green transition plans are applauded in Western Europe, but viewed as economic threats by farmers, industrial workers, and Eastern member states. Agricultural protests erupt, energy prices spike, Brussels becomes an easy target. And perhaps the deepest divide of all is East versus West. Disputes over rule of law, judicial independence, media freedom, and relations with Russia have exposed a fundamental problem. The EU shares laws, but not always values. Some governments openly challenge Brussels while continuing to benefit from EU funds. Others fear that enforcing standards too aggressively will fracture the Union entirely. And hovering over all of this is a familiar accusation: Brussels bureaucracy. Is it a real problem, or a convenient scapegoat for leaders unwilling to take responsibility at home? In truth, it's both. The EU suffers from democratic distance, but national leaders often blame Brussels for decisions they themselves approved. While Europe argues internally, the world is changing rapidly. Russia's war in Ukraine has forced the EU into a historic moment. For the first time, the Union is acting as a geopolitical actor, imposing sanctions, funding defense, and redefining security policy. Yet unity remains fragile.